I equate change management with building trust, right? AI is a bit scary, particularly the way we're bringing it to market makes certain classes and categories of healthcare labor feel a risk of displacement, right? I am far from an expert in this, I'll be honest. We're kind of figuring it out as we go to some degree, but we've learned, frankly, what not to do. Very early on, we positioned this as an agentic nurse. We put out a press release in partnership with Google, and essentially overnight, I became enemy number one for every nurse on the planet. I don't want anybody to ever have to go through my DMs and see about essentially how many people we offended by trying to equate it to something like that, right? The idea here is we are filling in a gap to make them more productive. That is ultimately our position here. But what we've learned primarily is it's trust through exposure. I'm on a call with a major health system, all hands. I'm speaking to about 600 bedside care team members that at the beginning of the call, 100% of them dislike me. Over time, you just kind of have to chip away. You have to break them down. You have to let them talk to Avery, our agentic caregiver, acting as a patient, try and break it, try and figure out the vulnerabilities in it. And I think a lot of it is just transparency. The idea here is there is a risk involved with agentic AI, right? It is non-deterministic in nature. Anybody that tells you 0% chance of hallucination, that's just not how this technology works. But what are we equating it to? Because humans make errors, right? Our goal here is to prove that it's as safe or safer, as effective or more effective for a very finite number of activities that we can offload off of the bedside care team to free them up to do things that only humans can do, right?